TOV. Nervous about raising rent rates. Until you remember your mentor leads a class with successful multifamily businesses.
So Nicole has a whole module in property management, and she was like, "You've got to line up the incentives of the property manager. You got to line up incentives so they're incentivized to make you more money, basically." So a lot of management companies, they'll charge you for new leases, but they don't really bill for renewals. So they're incentivized to keep turning tenants. And Nicole was like, "Well, incentivized for keeping tenants and incentivized for rent increases." With this property, at first I thought we could manage it ourselves, but then I met this lady who actually used to manage that building, and I hired her as the property manager. And she was like, "No, the rents are tapped out. You can't go higher in rents. These people can't pay more. You're already high for the area." This was Nicole's idea that I implemented. And I think now we are at the top of the market for that building. And for everything else, we're slowly, like I bought an 11 unit in Windsor Mill, 11 townhomes, and that was also off a cold call. And those rents were $1,040 a unit when tenants leave and we update the units. I spend $8,000 maybe updating units, new kitchen cabinets, new appliances, new flooring, maybe a new vanity, some light fixtures, maybe $10,000 max. We're taking those rents from $1,040 on average to $1,695.